Just as you are very careful about what you put into your mouth, you should be equally careful about what you put into your mind. When you put a piece of information in your mind, the mind goes to work on it, chewing it, digesting it, and then converting it into a thought. When you put good stuff in, good thoughts are created. People who maintain a purposeful mind diet will create healthy, positive thoughts which will lead to positive action and finally great results. So stop feeding your mind with news, mindless serials, reality shows and violent movies. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So see you again in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be happy, and take care.